Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Well, we got mail, and guess what came in the mail? Butyl tape. So while Ricky and I apply this butyl tape on a J-rail that we need to install before our next rainstorm, check out some of these videos and see what we've done in the past 2 weeks. Alright guys, well today we're going to work on a backsplash of the 65 travel trailer, and we were debating on some of the items we're going to use for a backsplash. We thought maybe we could use this stick and peel item. It's real nice, it's beautiful, you know, but I thought, well, this is, first of all, it's going to be 10 of these sheets that I need to apply for the backsplash. If you add them all up, it's going to cost me $140 just for a 5-foot span of backsplash. So $140 is a little too expensive. And I also thought, you know, with these little bricks and everything inside of a travel trailer, it's going to gather up a lot of dust and everything, being that we're going to be camping out in the desert or camping out in a wilderness. So it's going to gather up a lot of dust and everything. And I thought maybe this is a little too expensive for a travel trailer. So we thought about using wallpaper. And all I need is about 5 feet of wall here to cover. And wallpaper is $50 a roll, and they go up to 50 feet of paper, in which I don't need 50 feet of paper for this 5-foot section. So the next best thing that I came up with was using this breadboard. Now what I want to put here is I want to have like a soft country style, so I thought this breadboard would be perfect. And now this one right here I purchased at Home Depot, and it's really done up, it's really damaged and everything, but I knew that I only needed this section right here. So I'm going to use this, and I also asked them, hey, being that's damaged, an item badly damaged, can you give me a discount? And they gave me 70% discount on this. So I purchased 2 of them, and it cost me $17 for this. So I'm going to have plenty of material to work with, and it's going to look real nice. So follow us as we go, as we put this backsplash breadboard together. Alright, good morning, top of the hour to you guys. It's been raining for the past 2 days, so I'm going to show you some of the things that we did here. If you take notice, we have put the J-rail all this week before this rain came about. The past 2 days it has been raining a lot, so it give us the opportunity to put the J-rail in place. So everything is there, and also we applied some sealant, some caulking above the J-rail. So all that with the 1.25 inch Hexon screws, roofing screws we used. So everything's in place and real tight. Now let's go inside and see if we have any leaks. All right, as you can see, the last rainstorm we had some water leaks here in the ceiling, and this left this stain here on the wood. So to deal with that, what we use is Keels. Now there's also the spray, but I would much rather use with the brush here. And you just take a little dab of this, the Keel, and just paint it on there. And it's a primer, and you're gonna have to put about maybe 2 or 3 coats on there. But this for sure, it will as you apply this, it will cover those stains. Because if you go with regular paint on here without using this Keel, the stain will just seep right through the paint. So we applied this Keel, and after a few coats, we'll go ahead and apply the sealing paint, and it's going to be good as new. Alright, as you can see, we're going to go ahead and apply the second coat, and it's already making quite a difference with this Keel. So we apply plenty of it, nice thick layer of it, and sure enough, it'll go back to being white again. And then once we go with the second coat, then we can come in with the sealing paint, the white sealing paint, and it would go ahead and cover all of the water damage that was here before. But it's coming along. All right, after 2 coats of the Keel, we're trying to cover that smear from the water damage area where water penetrated the trailer. So we already put 2 coats of Keel, and right now we're going to go ahead and apply some interior ceiling flat paint for the ceiling. Let's see if we get a dab of this, and let's see if it does a trick or not. So let's see what's the ending result on this one. All right, as we look here in the rooftop, we've had this painted in with Keel and the ceiling paint, and looks nice. And yeah, no leaks. Thank God we've taken care of the leaks. Everything's taken care of. I can't show you the rest of the trailer because it's going to ruin our series. But we got great surprises ahead in our next videos. But yeah, thank God we took care of the roof leaks. Well guys, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please share and subscribe. Until next time, ciao for now.